Hello everyone, today I want to share with you my recent vacation experiences following the midterm exams and the celebration of Eid al-Adha. During this time off, I allowed myself to fully unwind and relax. I hardly touched my study materials or engaged in coding, except for a couple of instances where I felt inspired to write some code. However, as I reflect on this break, I realize the importance of consistency in achieving our goals. It's not always glamorous or easy to maintain, but it's the key to unlocking our full potential. Therefore, I challenge each of you to commit to consistency in one area of your life starting today. Whether it's committing to a regular fitness routine, dedicating time to learn a new skill, or pursuing your passion projects, taking that first step and staying the course is crucial. Thank you for joining me on this journey to harness the power of consistency. If you found this message helpful, I'd appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, remember to stay consistent, stay focused, and keep pushing forward. You got this.